Hey, this is your channel Nekoya Tech, and this is Lab 4.211 titled Configure IP Address on Linux. Let's get started. So remember, your goal is to set the static IPs, the DNS, and test connectivity from the terminal. The first step here will be to check the current network state. Open terminal and type IP address show. Once you have all your network interfaces showing, navigate to the configuration network script and so let's configure the network scripts by typing in cd /etc/system config/network-script is. So with that, we can be able to look for a file name named ifcfg-enp2s0 as our target file. So inside this file, you're going to update the following lines or add them if they are missing. So the IP address is 192.168.0.254. The net mask is 2. So the IP address, we are literally adding them because it's missing. So the net mask is 255.255.255.0. So this is the most critical part of this assignment that will keep you doing it over and over again. So if you do it right, then you're good. So we put our net mask to be, so the net mask is also missing, so we are adding it literally. So it's 255.255.255.0. It's also missing. So it's the critical, because we're going static. We are coming out from DHCP and we're going static. So then we come to the broadcast. It's also missing, so we are adding it literally. So it's 192.168.0.2. So also the gateway is missing, so we are adding it literally. So it's 192.168.0.5. Then I want you to take note that in here there's there's boot proto, which is equals to DHCP. But remember, we're going static. So we are going to entirely remove that because we are going static. Okay? So once you get there, remove it completely. Now the next phase is the most trickier one because you're going to your keyboard and type control. You first of all, you go to an empty space, then type control and X button. So control plus X. So together. So once you type that, you are going to exit whatever we have been doing. Then you're going to type the letter Y to save what you have been doing. So this is the most trickiest thing. This gets us to part 2 where you configure the IPv4 setting. So here we're going to edit the adapter setting using the nano. This is a simple terminal text editor, and in this case, it's nano ifcfg-enp2s0. So next we're going to configure the DNS. Here we open the resolve.configure file. So we type in nano /etc/resolve.conf. And then after that, we are going to add these two lines. So once you've typed in nano slash etc slash resolve dot conf, click enter. Then in this name server, we are going to add these two lines. So we're going to edit the name server. So the first one is 163.128.78.93. The second one is 163.128.80.93. So again, once you're done, you're going to type Control plus X. So on your keyboard, you're going to simultaneously type the Control button and the X button together. So once you do that, you have exited. Then you will type Y so that you confirm that you're saved. So once you are done, you're going to the next phase, which is so this gets us to part 4 where we're going to restart the interface. So to apply these changes, you're going to restart the network interfaces by typing in IP link set ENP2S0 down IP link set ENP2S0 up, just the way I've written on the screen. So once you do that, you click enter, boom, you have a new setting that are now active. So before we go on to the final stage of testing our connection, we are going to type in IP link set ENP2S0 down. This will allow us to bring the interface down. And then if we type in IP link set ENP2S0 up, will allow us to bring the interface up to align with our new configuration. Hello, tech friends. We have come from far and we're in the final stage while we test the connection. So in this case, we are going to look whether everything is working. And to do that, you're going to use ping command. So we're going to type in ping negative C4 192.168.0.5. Remember that was our gateway. So once you type in ping negative C4, you are limiting it to only 4 pings, right? But if you just type ping, then our address, then you will have an ongoing, it won't stop until you stop it. So by putting a limit, we allow it to only ping up to 4 pings only. So as you can see, once you type in finish, then click enter. Let's see what happens. So here we go. Click enter. And yes, it's successful. That means that our gateway is working. Then let's transition to the DNS server. So we're going to type in ping negative C4 163.128.80.93. Then click enter. Finally, let's test our DNS resolution with the domain. So let's see what happens. So you type in your ping negative C4 www.compnet.xyz. Then once you're done, you're going to click enter and you see if the ping is successful. So in the comment section, put in see how you fared on this assignment, and please remember to click subscribe to support me on this course. So finally, once you're done, we are in the final stage. Just like that, Tech Explorer friend, you have manually configured a Linux network interface. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the lab 4.211. Subscribe, like,